How to use your Facebook avatar from a mobile device. If you've created a Facebook avatar, there's multiple ways that you can use it on Facebook. To use your avatar in a post or to change your profile image to your avatar, you can first go to the menu tab in the bottom right corner of your Facebook app. From there, select See More, and then select Avatars. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a share icon. This is where you can either share your avatar to your feed or set it as a temporary profile picture. If you select Share to Feed, you can then select the pose for your avatar and click Share. You can then add a message to your post. And once you have everything to your liking, you can click Post. If you want to make your avatar your profile picture, you can select Set as Temporary Profile Picture. Then choose the pose that you'd like to use and a background color for your profile picture. You can also add a caption to your profile picture. Once you have everything set, click Next. You can then set how long you'd like the profile picture to appear. It can be 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or you can create a custom timeline by choosing a date and time. Once you have a time chosen, click Save. If we then go back to our profile page, you can see that our profile image has been changed to our avatar, and the post of our avatar appears in our feed. If there's a post that you want to comment on using your avatar, you can select Comment beneath the post, and then select the smiley face on the right side of the post field. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see 4 different icons, which sort the different types of stickers and emotions you can use for your comment. The 4th icon from the left is your avatar stickers, which you can then select to use your avatar as a comment. And that's how to use your Facebook avatar. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.